Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, my Lolila. Another cooking episode, and this time we are going to cook chicken sopas or chicken pasta soup. Keep on watching. The chicken part that I'm going to use for this recipe is the tip of the chicken wings, because the other parts I use it from my previous recipe, the Korean fried chicken wings that I made. So I saved this one and I'm using this just to flavor the chicken sopas. First is to boil this chicken part. In another cooking pan, I saute the onions and the garlic. Instead of using oil, I use butter. This gives an extra flavor to the chicken sopas. Then add it to the chicken. The vegetables that I'm using are carrots, celery, and cabbage. It's time to add them all together. Then season it with salt and pepper. And add in your Knorr chicken cubes. Then add the pasta. You may use any kind of pasta. Pour milk. And add cheese. Let's just wait for the pasta to cook. And here is our finished product. Chicken sopas. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell so that you will be notified for our next upload. See you next time. Bye.